In this video I will tell you how to draw shadows or how to see light in depths. I will draw a wall as an example. After drawing the circle, find the position of the light source. In my case, light source is here, so the light will fall here. I made the circle to remember where the light will fall the most. Start shading in the ball. Shade more on the corners because there will be less light. On the opposite direction where the light is falling, there will be more shadows. Shade there with 8B or 10B pencils. And this is the final result. You can learn how to shade from the video on left or see one of my drawings on the video on right.